Hello and welcome to Model Renovations. So today I'm going to be opening up this 64 Pontiac GTO 2-in-1 by Revell. I actually have not seen inside this box, so it'll be interesting to see what we've got. I was told there's a couple models in it in varying conditions, so let's see what we got. So the box is not too good a shape. Oh, there is indeed two models in it. Oh, so the first one we got, whoo, look at that. A little bit of gold going on. Kind of looks like it may have been painted with a marker. I'm not really sure. Hello and welcome to Model Renovations. So today I'm going to be opening up this 64 Pontiac GTO 2-in-1 by Revell. I actually have not seen inside this box, so it'll be interesting to see what we've got. I was told there's a couple models in it in varying conditions, so let's see what we got. So the box is not too good a shape. Oh, there is indeed two models in it. Oh, so the first one we got, whoo, look at that. A little bit of gold going on. Kind of looks like it may have been painted with a marker. I'm not really sure. But not bad. I think hopefully we can get that off. I'm not really sure. But we'll save that for later. Hopefully we can use this one. And okay, so here's the most complete one. It's not looking. Everything's glued on. A little bit of glue bombing, but not too bad. Whew, that windshield's gonna take some work. Let's see if I can zoom in here for you. Wow. We have a little bit of paint going on, a little bit of glue. I honestly am not sure if I could save that windshield or not, but we we can definitely try. Alright, let's pop this body off. See what we got here. Okay. Interior's been somewhat painted. The motor, I'm not sure we're going to try to remove because it looks like it's in there pretty darn good. We may just end up painting this in the car. Let's see if the seats. Nope. So I think we're going to, if I try to remove this, I'm going to destroy it. So I think what we'll do is just try to paint everything in the car and kind of go from there. The bottom we'll just paint one color. But before we do anything, we're definitely going to have to strip this body and see what we got. See if this is really thick. I don't know if you can see that real well, but this paint is okay. It might be savable. This is typical, you know, when we were young and painted these up, and probably someone's first model. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Set that aside. Okay. All right, so it looks like we've got pretty much everything. Here's the suspension for the gold one. We'll call that gold finger. All the chrome for the gold one. Painted suspension. That's nice. We'll use that. Just some suspension parts. Tampos, I don't think these are savable. Maybe, but that looks like there's possibly mold on there, plus some breaks in the actual tampo. You know, honestly, I hadn't really planned on using these anyways, because it's kind of the 80s look, so we'll just put that back in the box. We do have the instructions. That's right, instructions, not instructions. Okay. What else we got? Let's just dump it out. See what we got here. Alright. Okay, so looks like we got some motor pieces, probably from the red one. Another painted, kind of a flat black interior. I'm not sure we're gonna keep that or not yet. The original tires that came in the kit. We will actually be changing these just because these are rock solid. They're very difficult to do anything with. I'm not really a fan of these tires all that much just because they are so hard. And I'm not really crazy about how they're kind of have this big sidewall on them. So we'll set those aside for now. Maybe use them on one of them, maybe not. But it looks like they're all here. Some of them are still on the tree. We have some, looks like they've been painted a little bit. Let's take those out, which is okay because we're going to get rid of those anyways. Some more suspension or motor parts. So it looks like we have the hood, 2 hoods as a matter of fact, which is nice. We'll be able to use one on each car. Seats for the one that's not built. Got a pair of seats, steering wheels, one head, some firewall pieces. It's kind of neat. Nothing on this tree, and nothing else in the box. Okay, we do have the dashboard. Okay, so we have seats for this one, steering wheel for both of them. Let's see, 3 rims. I don't see another one, but it looks like we will have rims from, well, that one also has 3, so we'll be able to make one set, and we'll have to take another set and from something else. So not a big deal. I typically do a lot of part swapping on my models. So anyway, let's get started. And so the first thing we're going to do actually is we're going to go ahead and dip this all in. We're going to let that sit in that solution probably for at least 24 to 48 hours. And then we'll come back and we'll see where we are.